Do you want to know how to pronounce the French U sound correctly? In this video, I am going to give you some really useful tips to help you improve your pronunciation of the French U sound. I will also tell you how to pronounce the letter U in French words and when you shouldn't pronounce it. First, let's see how to make the French U sound. It can be quite tricky for English speakers as this sound doesn't exist in English. To pronounce the French U sound correctly, we start from the English pronunciation of the letter E. When we pronounce the letter E, our lips are stretched. We have a big smile, like a banana. Our tongue is forward and it touches our lower teeth. To pronounce the French U sound, the tongue position is the same as the English pronunciation of the letter E. Our tongue is forward and it touches our lower teeth. But the lips are rounded in a kiss position. The mouth opening is very small. The mouth is almost closed. We are going to practice together. We'll start by saying E continuously, then we will slowly round our lips without moving our tongue. We are going from a smile to a kiss position. E. Don't hesitate to over-exaggerate your lips and mouth position. This will help you get the right pronunciation more easily. E. 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 U. E. U. E. U. The U sound can be written U or U circumflex. The accent is just a graphic sign. It doesn't affect the pronunciation of the letter U. Let's practice together with some words. Salut. Salut. Tu. Tu. J'allume. J'allume. La lune. La lune. J'ai vu. J'ai vu. Pay attention to letter combinations. If the letter U is preceded or followed by another vowel, it is not pronounced U. A-U and E-A-U are pronounced O. Jaune, O. E-U and O-E-U are pronounced E or E. If you struggle with the pronunciation of these two sounds and you would like me to make a video, please let me know in the comment section. Veux, seul. O-U are pronounced OU. The sound OU is the same as double O in the English word boot. Lourd. Pay attention to nasal sounds. If the letter U is followed by N or M, it can also be a nasal sound. If you don't know how to make a nasal sound or how to recognize one, make sure you check out this video next. Lundi. Parfum. Now, let's see 3 cases when U is not pronounced. The letter U is not pronounced when it is between the letter Q and another vowel. Une question. 4. The letter U is not pronounced when it is between the letter G and a soft vowel, E, I or Y. Une bague. Un guide. The letter U is not pronounced when it is between the letter C and a soft vowel, E, I or Y. Un accueil. Un cercueil. Now, let's test your listening skills and make sure you can hear the French U sound correctly. Which of the 2 sentences do you hear? Il est dessus. Il est dessus. Il est dessous. Il est sûr. Il est sourd. Il est sûr. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Elle est russe. Elle est russe. Elle est rousse. J'ai changé de roue. J'ai changé de rue. J'ai changé de roue.